Kapalagi. Kids playing outside, that's why noisy here. Kapalagi. Hi, Hi, 20 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hello. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. 20 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hello. Thank you, guys. Too loud here because outside kids playing basketball. Thank you for the Pravin Kumar Prasad. Up, what means? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you. 19 people in the house. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Love smile. Smile. Thank you for the thumbs up. Carl Painter. Hi, Carl Painter. Where are you from? Thank you for joining here. Painter. Hi, from India. You are from India province, Kumar. Philippines. Saan po sa Pilipinas? Salamat po sa pagpunta sa live. Thank you. Bulacan. Sa Bulacan. Maingay. Takpan na. May rebook. Bulacan. Saan sa Bulacan po, Sir Carl? Single ka ba? Hindi. Hindi na. Taken na. I'm taken. Kapit nga Bulacan Pangbong. Okay. Malapit ba yun sa Baliwag, Bulacan? Hindi na. Yes, okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat sa nagta-thumbs up. Salamat sa Ba't lumiwanag bigla? English, please, Carl. English. Darating na siya. Panay na. Ano yan? Sheryl English. Oh my God. Huwag kang ganyan. David Rodrigo. Hi, Sir David Rodrigo. Hola, amiga. ¿Cómo estás? Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo estás? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. How are you, madam? I'm good, sir. How about you, Sir David? Game over. Okay. Ayan na. Okay, I am good too. Okay. How's your health, by the way? Good health. Good health. I'm in good health. How about you, sir? Sheryl Ohm. Bakit, Carl? Yes, I'm Sheryl Ohm. Okay, David. My channel name, Sheryl Ohm. Why I make it? Okay. Janelle Aguilar, wala ka pa shot, ate. Meron na po. Meron na. What means quiet? Me too. What it means, sir? Ikaw taga saan ka? Dito ako sa Bicol. Everyone, this is Speaking English channel by Tim. Do you remember me or not? Yes, I'm not remember you. But some other, joining me here from Brazil, Rodrigo. I don't know if you are Rodrigo from Brazil, but I think you're not. Are you or not? Top cut, guys. Thank you, team. I don't remember you, David. Or you're, David Rodrigo. You are from, my friends Ruby. No, sure. Oh no, my friends Ruby. Chat me. I think before. It's you, huh? It's you. It's my third time on your channel. Okay. David for joining my live streaming here on YouTube. Thank you so much. No, no. No, no. Who are you? How are you? Sorry. Too many join here, that's why I don't remember. But it's familiar name. Your name is familiar, David Rodrigo. Guys, like and subscribe. Thank you guys for the talk and for watching. Hey, it's been a long time, that's why you don't remember me. I understand. Thank you, David. Rodrigo. Now Rodrigo here now. Hello, ma'am. Thank you, Rodrigo. I thought I thought it's you, Rodrigo, David Rodrigo. I thought David Rodrigo and Rodrigo is the same, but now I know it's not the same, different person. Thank you, Sir David Rodrigo, for joining me again here. Maybe you're too busy, I think, about your job. My food. Where's your food? What is your food? Sheryl Ohm. Canoy. Carl Packet. Is he also Rodrigo? Yes. Is he also Rodrigo? Rodrigo, Sir David Rodrigo is from Brazil. Where are you from, sir? Wala naman. Bakit panay ka, sa akin, pangalan ko dyan? Okay. Rodrigo, my friend, hello. Carl, if you're typing to find her Facebook, she doesn't have one. Yes. Me from Spain. Oh yeah. Wow, from Spain. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Oh my god. Hello, Rodrigo, from David Rodrigo. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys, and watching her now. 6 people and six people in the house. Thank you. Lizard. Don Dioris Oster Amigo. What it means? How's your weather there in the Philippines? Weather, sometimes rainy, sometimes sunny. Rainy now, later sunny, then another rain. Yes, thank you for listening. Thank you sa nag-hearts. Thank you for the sending heart, for someone who's sending heart. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. I love Filipinas forever. Hug of Brazil. Thank you, Sir Rodrigo. Thank you, Rodrigo. Give thanks from Philippines, Filipina. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe, friends. Okay, thank you. It was your day, my dear. Every day is my day. Hello, ma'am, from Coach GPTV. Hello po. Hello po, Coach GPTV. Gandang gabi. Filipina are always cute. Thank you. Thank you, Sir David. Salamat. Thank you, Sir David Rodrigo. Tired today. Tired today. Today is working day. That's why I felt tired. Tiring. I need to because sometimes my eyes. Gandang gabi din po. Thank you. Good evening, Sir Coach. Coach GP. Meron ka pa FB? Wala na. No, wala na. Sure, little angel. Thank you, Rodrigo. Little angel. Carl English. Little angel. Too loud here. Kids playing basketball outside. I'm a little angel. Don't call me sir. I feel like your boss. Just call me David by David. Thank you, David. Thank you, David Rodrigo. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I guess you don't know how to read Carl. He has no Facebook. Yes, no Facebook. I'm not always on Facebook. Not active on Facebook. Chester Hexons. Thank you, Sir Hexon. Chester. Good evening, Cheryl there. Good evening, Sir Chester Hexon. Working by Flower. I'll be back. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Don't forget, like my friend. Okay, thank you. How old are you, by the way? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40. Old na. Getting old. How about you, David? How old are you? Hi, Michael. Bonjour. Bonjour, c'est Michael Tubogen. Yes, really. I'm 40 years old. Why? Bye, Rodrigo. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless. Have a nice day. I don't believe. Why? Why you don't believe? Maybe, 45. You will believe. Yes, David, she is 40. Yes, I'm 40 years old. First, I thought you are looking like 25 or 27. Oh, oh my God. I'm 40 na. 40 years old. I have a wrinkles na, look. Wrinkles. My eyes. Sign of aging. I did also David, but yes, she is 40. 20, my princess. Okay, Tim, bro. Thank you. Thank you, guys. How old are you, David? David? Maybe you're young. I don't know. I don't understand why girls are looking young even more in age. I don't. Weh, joking. Why? Maybe you guess first how old is I am. Wait, I need to look your profile picture. 30? You look 30, I think. It's a small circle. A small circle. You look 30. I think you're 30 years old. Maybe, I don't know. Do you eat fish every day, David? Yes, every day. Fish, rice, vegetable, fruits. Thumbs up dan maganda, Cheryl. Hi, Greg. Thank you for joining me again. Oh, 29. Oh, too close for 30. That's nice. Still young. Thank you, Greg, for joining again. Welcome back, always. Oh, bro, that's why they look like an angel. Oh, why? I'm not. How old are you? How are you doing today? Today, sa ano, celebrating July 1, started Nutrition Month here. 51st, celebrating Nutrition Month, the whole month of July. So today, start of celebrate Nutrition Month. This July is fully scheduled, fully activities. Oh, bro, that's quite a lot. Thank you for for the thumbs up, guys. The whole month, yes, for the whole month. Yes. May dropper ka? Ay, guro. Ay, sa bata? Oo. Ay, si ano, si Grace. Kaputong ko lang. Kaputong. Kana lang una. Sulod. Ha? He doing job or what? This. Yes, he doing job or what? Doing job. David, and doing job. Work here. Thank you for the thumbs up. Everything you live, you lose people. It's fine. Yeah, it's okay. Every time I kiss, every time I kiss, I feel your lips. Every time you had 20 people, but now one. It's okay. That's fine. Natitira talaga yung totoo. Charan. Thank you for the 5. Now, 5 people in the house. Every time I kiss, I feel your lips. Oh my god. And it's I feel I have a tummy now. Nagpapalit.
Nagpalit.
Nag-iinsan na.
Ama, butang tayong didiyo.
Opo.
Mo.
Patayan tayo nilaw mamaya. Tapos, yun na lang ano ha. Ilaw ta ha.
Ilipat mo sa ano.
Opo.
Ay, ito. Kumali kayo mo daw. Bading ka.
Dari ba yan?
May bakalong ka. Ano kagayo?
Thank you. So feel your lips. See you smile. Feel love. What you looking for? Looking for home. I heard noise outside, that's why I'm walking outside the home. Out the door, yeah. I'm looking what the noise. That's why I'm walking outside the door. Ouch. Simple melody. So Rodrigo, you have a better luck yet. Yes, better luck. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat sa nagta-thumbs up. Thank you so much. Good job. Good job for me. Ikaw na pala na may-ari ng damdamin ko. Kahit sabi nila'y huwag mag-alala at kailan ako. Kaya't humihiling ako kay Bathala. Sana hindi ka na mag-isa. Sakit sa ano? Sa mata? Okay. Okay, bye-bye. See you later. Love you all. See you again.